how to overcome the fear of public speaking. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm truly grateful you're here. If speaking in front of people makes your heart race or your hands shake, stay with me for the next few minutes. This message might change the way you see public speaking forever. Have you ever stood in front of a group of people and suddenly forgotten everything you wanted to say? Your heart beats faster. Your palms become sweaty. Your voice starts to shake. You begin to wonder if everyone is judging you. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The fear of public speaking is one of the most common fears in the world. Even successful leaders, actors, and speakers have experienced it. The difference is not that they never feel afraid. The difference is that they don't let fear stop them. So, how can you overcome this fear? First, prepare more than you think you need to. Confidence doesn't appear by magic. It grows from preparation. The more familiar you are with your message, the more relaxed you'll feel. Practice your speech until you know it well enough that you don't have to rely on memorizing every single word. Second, remember that people want you to succeed. Most people in the audience are not waiting for you to fail. They're hoping you'll do well. They want to learn something, enjoy your story, or hear your ideas. Stop imagining critics. Start imagining supporters. Third, focus on your message instead of yourself. Fear grows when all you think about is how you look, how you sound, or what others might think. Instead, ask yourself, how can my words help someone today? The moment you shift your attention from yourself to serving others, your confidence begins to grow. Fourth, accept that mistakes are part of every great speech. You may forget a word. You may pause for a moment. You may even lose your train of thought. That's okay. The audience will remember your honesty and your message far more than a small mistake. Perfection is not what inspires people. Authenticity is. Finally, keep practicing. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Your first speech may not be perfect. Neither will your second. But one day, you'll look back and realize that what once terrified you has become something you enjoy. Every confident speaker you admire was once a beginner. Every powerful voice once trembled. Every inspiring presentation started with someone choosing courage over comfort. So don't wait until you feel fearless. Start while you're still nervous, because courage isn't the absence of fear. It's the decision to move forward despite it. The next time you stand before a crowd, remember this. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You don't need the perfect voice. You don't need perfect words. You only need the courage to take the first step. And once you do, you'll discover something incredible. The audience isn't looking for perfection. They're looking for someone real, someone like you. Thank you for watching and spending these few minutes with me today. If this message inspired you, please subscribe to the channel for more motivational stories, life lessons, and daily inspiration. Your support helps us create more content that encourages people around the world. I wish you the confidence to speak with courage, the strength to believe in yourself, and the determination to never let fear stand between you and your dreams. Take care, keep growing, and have a wonderful day.